Gwuckles and J Bird.
Hey everybody, this is Gwuckles and J Bird.
We are going to drop these ginormous water balloons.
They're huge!
Let's do it.
We got up, so we're on our deck now, and we're gonna drop them off. Okay? I'm gonna drop it in 3, 2, 1. See how big that was? Let's turn. 3, 2, 1. We'll be right back. We have to fill up some more.
You know what these beauties are?
Bunch of balloons. We're gonna try these things out and see if they actually work.
We're filling a bunch of balloons up.
I hope these things work. I think they're supposed to pop off by themselves. We'll get back to you when they're all down, okay? These things, they actually do work. We're gonna go have a water balloon fight. Hit you in the face. Ow! Ow! I have a wet butt. Wait, let me get some.
One. Wait, I need to get one.
Pelt. Pelt. Ah! Now we're going to drop some off the deck. These water balloons right by the camera. So we'll try our best, okay?
I'm going to try to make it in the hoop.
But we're now going to throw them up in the air and see where they land. Right there.
Oh!
Doggy boat. That was a bad throw. Now we're going to try to make it into our basketball hoop. Yeah. So close. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my turn. My turn. Oh. Okay. We are done with the bunch of balloons and the balloons for today. But go buy some bunch of balloons because it's really cool. And when you're done with them, you can use that thing to squirt your friend.